Okay, so welcome to my channel Graphic Icon, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create this awesome vector style logo using Inkscape. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, so in order to make this, you can grab this, go to file properties first, document properties, uncheck the page border, display into pixels. Close this menu, open fill stroke menu from here, and alignment and distribution object tool from here. Now you can go to view, zoom, zoom to 100%, this one, and make sure you have custom selected. Now you can go to the circle and ellipsis tool, create a circle like this. Click on the square, this cross, sorry, to unfill the center color. Okay, now leave it this right here, leave this right here. Click on this rectangle tool, create a rectangle like this. Okay, I think I will increase the size. Yeah, okay, so I will go to path, object to path. Now I can grab the path tool. Actually no, I will make the corners curve like this. Now I will go to path, object to path. Okay, just select these middle two nodes and delete them like this. Okay, so let's make the circle little thicker. Go to stroke style and make this I think 30. I think 35 will also work. Okay, so same with this 35. Make it, press shift and click on this red color to make it red. Grab a rectangle tool like this. Press shift, press on cross, and without pressing shift, keep the black color. Like this. Path, object to path. Press shift, click on this red object, go to path, difference. Like this. Okay. Now duplicate this. Flip this vertically, control shift and okay. Decrease the opacity. I think I will just undo this. Yes, I will undo this one. And I will convert this to path. Now I will click shift and difference like this. Okay, so now I will duplicate this. Press shift, click on black color to make it black. Oh, I think I will click on this gray color like this. Okay, make sure the red color goes beneath that, beneath the gray object. Now adjust these handles like this. Now make this one also of grey color, like this. Make them of black color. Just make these nodes little bit far away from this. Delete this node. Like this. Okay, I think this is perfect. Now just give it some gradient. Go click G, stroke style. This one. Press shift. Go to this one. Click on this. Press shift. Click on this object. Path union. And click back. After clicking on this, press G on the keyboard. Go to stroke paint. Gradient, give the same gradient to this. Now path, break apart. Just make this a little bit smaller. Okay, click on them, path union. Now Ctrl plus D, make them black color. One step down and give it some blur. Like this. So in this way you can create this awesome vector style logo using Inkscape. I hope you like the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe and do share my video. So see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a good day and see ya.